Hello, hello. How are you doing? Good evening. Hey, and welcome to Smart Money Monday. It's great to be with you this evening. It's just going to be me this evening, and we'll give folks a little bit of time to check in to get in here. If you're out there, say hello. Let me know you're out there so I can see you. And welcome to where you're watching me on whatever channel, whatever platform. That's a better word there. I'm streaming on Facebook and to YouTube. And wherever you are, please like this video, share this video. Hey, Hillary, how you doing? How you doing? Subscribe to my YouTube page. That'd be awesome. Check the alerts so you know when I go live or when I upload content, because it'd be great to hear from you. This is something we've added to the platform to we'll take deeper dives into issues about finance and money on Mondays, a little bit longer than what we have on what we do in the mornings a few days a week. I try to keep those under 15 minutes. And this is where I answer questions I get from you guys. Remember, you can go to my website, thesmartmoneychick.com, and you can submit a question and get it answered live. Also, I've got some other stuff there on the site too. That'd be great. Wanted to take a look at it. It'd be awesome. Particularly a guide to life insurance, particularly after 40. Those of us over a certain age, you can still get life insurance. It's still available. I answer a lot of questions in that guide. What if I have a condition? What if I have diabetes? What if I use cannabis? Can I still get life insurance? Answer is yes. And I've got some information on that for you, where you can, a little hot in here. Excuse me. So to get that guide, it's thesmartmoneychick.com /guide. You can download it, and that'll also get you on our mailing list. So we can get you some information about, financial issues that we cover. Don't worry, we do not sell we won't sell your name, and we won't bombard you with email either. So it's not like something just, a constant stream of clutter in your inbox. But when you do put your email address in there for the guide, it comes immediately to your inbox and you can download it. So, and you can unsubscribe at any time. And once again, we do not sell your information. We don't sell your information. So, hey, we're coming up on 3 minutes. So I'll get started to what I wanted to speak with you guys about this evening. And it's about my favorite subject, life insurance. And so I kind of wanted to just ask, what's your excuse for not having life insurance? And life insurance is, it's not just a financial thing. Well, it is, but it's also emotional. Life insurance is how you take care of those you love when you're unable to, when you're no longer here. And it's about caring for those that you're responsible for. We're all going to die. And the thing about that is we don't know when that's going to happen. So you need to look at life insurance as something that takes care of your family when you're not here to do so. A question to ask yourself is, what happens if I'm not here financially? Because when you die, your ability to earn stops. And what are they going to do? So life insurance is really for the living. It's not for the dead. It's something that you put in place to protect those that you're leaving behind. And one of the things we talk about, protecting those when you leave behind, it's an expression about how much you care for them. Because death is rarely expected, and decisions have to be made immediately upon the death of a person. Arrangements have to be made. I know these aren't subjects we like to cover too much, but they're real. Arrangements have to be made, and they have to be paid for. And those that we leave behind, particularly those of us that are older and have, families, we have mortgages, their children have to be supported. They still have to go to the doctor, go to school, live somewhere. There are plans that you and your spouse have made in reference to the kids about, school, maybe helping them buy their first home, just a whole host of things. And you want these plans to continue whether you're there or not. And that's what life insurance does. It helps you take care of folks when you're not there. So it's an expression of caring for somebody. And life insurance provides those people that you leave behind options. It gives them some space and some time to get over the loss, which can be pretty horrific. There's a loss there, not just of the income, but of the physical person there. And you're giving them options, and you're giving them time to decide how they're going to move forward. You may not want them to have to sell the family home, or to, if someone was the stay-at-home parent, and then to be forced immediately back into the workplace. Or children may have to leave school because the breadwinner's gone, or a major source of income is gone. So that's what life insurance provides. It provides cash when the people you care about need it most. So that's what's most important, because that's what it does. That's what it provides. And if cost is something you're worried about, that's the heartstring side. So what's your excuse? The next one I often hear is that I have insurance from work. I've been given a policy where I work and it's rather inexpensive. Well, one of the reasons that it's pretty inexpensive is because it's a group policy. They're covering everyone there at work. But what's very important about those policies is that policy is in effect only as long as you work there. As long as you work there, the policy is in effect. But once you leave, you can't take it with you. And life insurance does become more expensive the older you become. It doesn't become prohibitive, but, crazy expensive. But it does get more expensive the older you get. So let's say you work somewhere, started in your early 20s, and now you're in your mid-30s, and for whatever reason, you change jobs, or you leave that particular place of employment. Well, you're still going to need life insurance for the reasons we talked about before. Usually there's a significant other, there may be a spouse, may not be, but you still may have financial responsibilities. You've got kids, and it isn't just children and spouses that people are responsible for. There are those of us out there that are caring for parents. Maybe we've lost our parents and we're caring for a sibling. So if anyone depends on you for income, depends on your income for a living, you need life insurance. And again, like I said, I covered some of these questions and some other information in my comprehensive guide to life insurance. And you can get that at my website, thesmartmoneychick.com /guide. I believe I put the link below, so you can click on it and get the information. And we do not sell, and we don't sell your emails. But that was one of the things I wanted to cover with you. That was two of the areas about that life insurance is for the living, and to bring up, there was a question we did receive about why do I need to buy life insurance if I'm getting it from work? And the answers to that is one, you can't take it with you if you start working there. And in most cases, life insurance that you receive from your job, it's not enough. It tends to cover maybe a year's salary, sometimes not even that. And your family's going to need more than that at your death. It's going to need more than that. So I know usually I try to keep it upbeat and happy when I'm talking to you all, but we have to talk brass tacks when we talk about life insurance. Everyone is going to die, and we don't know when, and we want to be, and we want our loved ones prepared and taken care of when we're not, and that's what life insurance does. That is the basic reason for life insurance, is to provide a cash benefit at someone's death for their beneficiaries. There are other great things that life insurance does, and I'll cover those in depth on other lives. But the primary reason for life insurance is the benefit, is the cash benefit when someone dies. It would be great to speak with you. We can meet via Zoom because this is time of COVID. You can also set an appointment there on my site also. Let's see, what is it? It's The Smart Money Chick. That's a good one. That's a good one. I'm embarrassed. I don't remember exactly where it is. If it's on the first page, not. Let's see. There we go. It is The Smart Money Chick /life_insurance. And you can book a free consultation. It'll be via Zoom. It'll take about 20 minutes. And we'll just talk. I'll get to see you. You get to see me if you choose to turn the camera on. And we can get your questions answered about life insurance and get a policy started. We've got many companies where the exam, there's no medical exam. I've got several companies I work with where there's no medical exam, and we can get you covered very quickly, very quickly. So that would be something that we talk about on the consultation. So tonight I just wanted to go over that about life insurance. It's going to be pretty short tonight. Next week, I'm going to have a guest, Kevin Samuels. He's been in the life insurance business for about 15 years now, and we're going to come in and we're going to do a deep dive into whole life insurance. And sure, you've heard some stuff about whole life insurance, particularly if you listen like to Dave Ramsey or Susie Orman. And they come up with some points, but they don't really cover just how useful whole life insurance is and how important it is. Again, life insurance is part of a financial plan. It's the cornerstone of your financial planning. You can do various other things, crypto, stocks, real estate, all very useful, great ways. But a safe money vehicle is whole life insurance. One, it provides a death benefit when you're not there, and it provides a guaranteed amount of income, unlike your other investments, real estate, stocks, crypto. And the cash benefits that the cash within the life insurance policy is tax-free. It's tax-free to your beneficiaries in case of your death, and you can access that cash also. It grows tax-free and tax deferred, and you can take the money out and spend it for whatever purposes you want, and it's also tax free, the accumulation and the interest. But that's something that we'll go into a little bit deeper at that time. So, what I think for sure I'm going to do is I think I'm going to start having guests, because it's kind of tough to talk for a whole 30 minutes or so, just to keep it going. But it's great, those of you that are joining me tonight. And once again, like this video, share this video, subscribe to my page, and want you guys to have a great day. And if you've missed any of the lives or anything of that nature, you can always go to YouTube, my YouTube channel, The Smart Money Chick, and they're there. Hey, want you to have a great evening. You guys stay safe out there. And as always, God bless America. Bye-bye.